Alright, beautiful people, once again on Papa Sem's album and dance album listening party and dance also, because we will dance and we'll listen to the album, okay? I have a brother here I respect with a whole lot of strength, gentlemen and ladies. I know his name is Majesty. He needs no introduction, but well, I attempt it now. Let's hear from the horse's mouth. Can we meet you, Majesty? Majesty. Papa Sem's album listening party tonight.
Papa Sem. Wow. From my childhood, I've watched him grow. Actually, you know, music is a process. You have to keep improving. In short, you just have to be dynamic about it. And then he's been a reggae person. That's actually my first favorite genre growing up, because I've always listened to him play, watched him play on stage and all of those stuff. And I myself, I'm a music person. I'm more of a listener. I don't sing. I'm just.
Okay. All right. Now let me ask. We have a tracker here, a track in one album. I have my choice. In fact, I would say I love everything, but I've taken number one day. Which one is your favorite?
There's this "Keep on Trying" song he has. Keep on trying. That's like my favorite. That's my favorite because it keeps me in check. It helps me stay motivated. Yeah.
I love that one too.
It tells me you gotta keep up. You gotta keep doing what you're doing. One day it's gonna pay. Just keep on trying. And that's one thing he always says to me. You gotta keep trying, keep pushing. Chase your passion, chase your dreams.
Alright, gentlemen and ladies, I am right here on this stand with Papa Sem's son. What number are you?
I'm the first son.
The first son. Gentlemen and ladies, you can take that to the bank. You heard it from the horse's mouth. Alright, during the production of this album, how available was that?
The thing is, my dad is always, he's not just a father, he's a dad. He's always there. If you need him, your pops, he's there, always. He knows how to
combine the two,
squeeze his time and do all of those stuff. And even with his work, he's good at being a dad and chasing his career. I'm here to have fun, support my dad, have fun basically. I've listened to most of the tracks, I enjoy them. So I'm just here to listen and vibe with everybody. So let's just come have fun, enjoy them.
Your name again?
Majesty.
Gentlemen and ladies, this is Majesty, Papa Sem's first son, okay? And I can tell you, will you permit us to come back at you at the end of this event?
Sure.
Gentlemen and ladies, you heard that coming from Majesty. In fact, no doubt, I was asked to take only one, but I ended up taking the whole 8. My name is Mr. Sito of Fire Media, and I'll be right back.